Welcome to the Motion Shading Showroom, where they specialize in designing and installing luxury window treatments. They're powered by Lutron electric drives that take your home or business to the next level. Let's check it out.
So at Motion Shading, we deal with high-end electronics, and we do automation solutions for our clients for window shading as well as lighting. Our clients come to us with basic needs to shelter their homes from the harsh UV rays that come in that blast their areas with heat as well as glare. So our products really are geared around shielding their homes, their fine furnitures, their artwork, and their flooring from the degrading, harmful sun and the rays that come in through a home. We work with commercial clients as well as residential, and what's nice about our product is it really lends to both atmospheres quite nicely.
They offer a wide variety, and they work with homeowners, designers, and builders.
Another option would be blackout material, which is going to block out the light 100% at that point. The other and last is going to go through and be our solar materials. Solar material is going to go through and give you different privacy opacities. That's going to go through and help you control the light in the space, and also give you some help with the heat diffusions, that type of thing as well.
And with the automation, they don't have to think about when in the day they need to have the shades come down to protect their homes. The automation solutions we set up for them protect them year-round, and they even know when the sun is going to be coming through the windows all throughout the year.
You can motorize pretty much everything at this point. Lutron offers roller shades as 95% of what we sell at this point. We also have cellular shades and draperies available, all of which can be motorized.
They partner with Lutron because they ensure all motorized features are the best of the best.
Lutron gives us the opportunity to go through and have hem bar alignment, which means that it's going to go through, the shades are going to be at the same exact spot throughout the entire function of the window. This is a great example of that, where all shades got the same communication, they're all going up at exactly the same spot, they're going to stop at the exact same spot. The newest addition from Lutron, our Palladium, which can be either hardwired or battery powered. These are the newest edition, which is the battery powered, either 4 or 6 D-cell batteries that are going to give us anywhere from 2.5 to 5 years of lifespan on those batteries. With Lutron voice commands, you can control multiple shades in a single room just by naming each shade differently. Echo, open Lutron drapery.
With access to manufacturing plants located right here in the USA, Motion Shading is able to deliver custom made-to-order product to its clients with some of the best lead times in the high-end automation industry.
What's nice about having a US-based manufacturer is they understand these trends, they understand that they need to move product, and they're situated right now to be best and leading in the industry in terms of getting us product quickly into our clients' hands as soon as possible. Our patio environments as well as our interior environments can be driven by the same luxurious, almost silent electric drives. And our clients really love to make sure that they can have one solution that works with one app control. And we can do that on the patio space as well as in the interior of their home. Lutron offers very good manufacturer warranties. They offer what they call an 8-year limited warranty, 5-year full replacement. And it's very rare that we have to use it, but when we do, they're very good partners of ours, and they work with us very well to make sure our clients are well taken care of for the lifetime of the product. What we enjoy most is getting to the end of each project and seeing how delighted the client is when they finally see what we envisioned with them for their space, when they came in, sat down with us from day one, and it's the most rewarding part of the job.
We're here to make this as simple for you as possible. We'll take care of you from inception to installation. We're not happy unless if you're happy.
Want to know more about automating your home with Motion Shading powered by Lutron Automation? Visit motionshading.com or designingspaces.tv.